If you can't stream to X, formerly Twitter, I know the reason why, and I'm going to show you how to fix it right in this video. So let's get to it. Nowadays, since the beginning or July 15th, I believe it was, X has said that in order to stream to their platform, you have to have an X Premium subscription. Well, I'm here to tell you that I got the subscription, the X Premium subscription, and for weeks I could not stream to X, no matter what. Went through X Premium chat, help, and all that support. They were of no help. They basically only answered me twice, wanting more information, and when they gave them the information, they did nothing with it. My streaming platform helped me more than X did. So I figured out after a couple of weeks what the problem was. And I'm going to go over here and share my screen and show you how to fix it if you're having the same problem. It's a very simple fix. You just got to remember that X, formerly Twitter, is a RTMP sort of site. So they use RTMP, but they set it up automatically. You don't have to set it up before each video. It's done for you automatically. So let me share my screen here. Let me go here. Excuse me. And we're going to share my screen. Let me do this. And entire screen, share that, and share that. And it'll come up here in just a second. Okay, excuse the mirror image. There's like 50 million of me in there, but just pay attention to the big one here. Let's go over to X. Okay, I have an X Premium account. And like I said, for weeks, I could not figure out how to get my stream onto X. I paid what they wanted. I have the premium subscription, and still I couldn't do it. I use Restream, and Restream was a great help. I mean, they are awesome. I used to have StreamYard, but I didn't bother with StreamYard after the sale of the company, so I started with Restream. Now, don't get me wrong, I could stream from StreamYard to X. That was no problem, but I didn't want to have to use two streaming services at once when I was trying, to do my shows, my streams, my live streams. So after about 2 weeks, maybe 3 weeks, I got to thinking, what about the media studio in X? So what I did was, and I'll take you there to show you how I did this. You're going to go, this will show you how to fix the problem. You go to your not profile, excuse me. I'm sorry about that. You're going to go to your premium subscription. On your premium subscription, you're going to look down and you're going to see Media Studio. Okay. You want to click on Media Studio. And when Media Studio comes up, you're going to go up to the very top where it says Producer, and you're going to click on Producer. Now, here's where you're going to be able to fix Twitter, X, whatever you call it, so that you can stream to them again directly from Restream or StreamYard or EVMux if you have this problem where you can't stream to Twitter. And what you're going to do is you're going to click on Producer. When you click on Producer, you're going to see Producer here. The very top line before all live schedules and ended, you're going to see broadcasts. You're not going to click on that, but you're going to actually click on sources. So if you click on sources, this is where the RTMP comes into play. As you can see, Restream is set up already for RTMP, and this is all done automatically from X, formerly Twitter. What you want to do, normally what will happen is this gets loaded down or bogged down, and what you want to do is you want to highlight everything that you have in there, and you want to delete it. Okay, once you delete it, you can go delete, delete the source, it's gone. Now, don't let that freak you out. You're still going to be able to, you're now going to be able to stream to X very, very simply. And what you're going to do is, I'm going to stop sharing my screen at the moment. You're going to go back into your Restream, your EVMux, your StreamYard, and you're going to click on your destinations. I can't do it here because I'm recording this. I'm not doing this live. So, and you're going to enable your X destination and then try doing a live recording. And I guarantee that'll fix the problem, because that's what I did. I erased all those RTMPs, clean slate, came over, added my X to my destinations, went in, did a live, and I was able to stream. Now, there is a workaround too. If you don't want to go in and screw around with all the internals of that, there is a workaround, but that's another video. So there you go, folks. That's how you enable streaming again for X. If you can't get to your stream to go up on X, Restream, EVMux, any of the third-party platforms that you use, and you can't get X to stream it, that's how you fix it. Have a great day. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.